Hey folks, how's it all going? And oh man, we're cooking on the Cosori. Remember, this is the Cosori air fryer, toaster, roaster, oven. This thing does it all. And today we're going to use it on the bake function. And we've got it preheating at 400. When that light is blinking, it means it's preheating. And it'll beep and tell you when it's ready. How simple can that be? So what are we making today? You read the, and you're saying, oh, Tom, a deep dish pizza? A Digiorno deep dish pan pizza? Holy smokes, it's supposed to be crispy. Doesn't that look good? I saw that today and I said, oh, that's gotta be good. So I thought, let's get it prepped and let's get it on that Cosori, shall we? All right, so there it is out of the box. It don't look that bad. Let's see the instructions. Preheat 400. Remove film from the pan, okay. Place pan directly on the center rack. Okay, so what I did, the bottom rack is for bake on the Cosori, so I did move it up one notch because this is like cardboard or something like that. I don't want that to burn. And then it says 24, 26 minutes, and then enjoy. Well, that's simple. So let's see if we can make it. Oh, hear that beeping? That means we're preheated. Perfect timing. Let's get her in there. All right, just put it on a couple minutes ago. Like I said, it says to have bake on the bottom rack, but it said to have this in the middle rack. So we'll just keep an eye on it. If that top starts to brown up, you know, and like I said, we're watching for that 24, 26 minutes, then I'll just take and put it on the bottom rack. So it looks good so far, don't it? All right, folks, we're 15 minutes into it, and it's looking pretty good. Nothing bubbling yet on the cheese, but things are starting to brown up a little bit. We'll keep on going here. You keep on watching. Oh man, we're at 18 minutes. Things are browning up really nice on top, so what I decided to do is move it down low and put it back on where the bake rack is. And we'll just go from there, give you a look-see. I think the next one will be is when we're taking it off and taking a look at it. Oh man, I'm getting hungry. Aren't you? All right, we're all done here. Does it? No. That could be my own fault here. I put it on the upper rack and burned the edges a little bit, but the pizza itself on the this side looks pretty decent. Took it out of the middle. Let's take out just a little test. No, just a little bit. That's pretty good. I mean, it's not like deep dish you get from Chicago or anything like that, but it's Digiorno and it's okay. So, folks, Tom Horseman on YouTube. If you stayed this long and you haven't subscribed, please do. 92% of the viewers of my videos aren't subscribed. Why? So please subscribe. Tom Horseman on YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, folks, I can't say it enough. Thanks for watching.